We are leaving today for another place called Urumqi, but we still want to go visit a marketplace, pedestrian street. So here we are. The name is Shujing. Wow, quite hard to pronounce. So it took us only less than 20 minutes to visit this place using the Didi, Didi car. Well, that's the way to travel China, Didi and WeChat. And here's my favorite. Later, I'll come back. And I want to eat that pig strutter, one of my favorites. But I'm just full right now while Myrna bought her own ice cream. She wanted to buy for all of us, but I said it's very cold. Yes. But tomorrow it's going to be much, much worse because Urumqi has -6 and it's going to be very tough. Right now, the temperature is maybe +2. So this is the marketplace, and we hope that when you visit China, you would love to visit the food markets because there's so much and it's much cheaper. Yes, that's the best. From the ancient cities to the pedestrian marketplace, you have so many choices of food. And here, there's Muslim food together with the Chinese food. So it's a combination. So much Muslims here in this part of China, which is called Xining. Oh, that was an egg tart a while ago. And we just love to look around. But later, we're going to eat before we leave this place. Again, that's Myrna and Wilson. Thank you for watching the vlog.